CM, today is Thursday, January 9th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis with Professor Cage. I'm an investing master at the real world and मैं आपको दुनिया का best possible crypto analysis present करता हूँ every single day. And when it comes to market analysis and forming your expectation and trying to figure out कि क्या होगा, I am one of the best. Because जो move आप देख रहे हो last 3 days से and last 2 weeks से मैंने बहुत एक्यूरेटली इसके बारे में बताया था कि दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड आई एम सरप्राइज्ड के लास्ट 3 days से पीपल आर शिटिंग देयर पैंट्स, पीपल आर इन फियर, दे आर क्राइंग, दे आर गेटिंग लिक्विडेटेड, ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड आई एम जेन्युइनली सरप्राइज्ड कि मैं ट्विटर ओपन करूं तो क्रिप्टो ट्विटर कैसी कैसी बातें कर रहा है. लाइक इट इज ऑल क्रेजी. दे आर लाइक, ओ इट इज ऑल ओवर, बुल मार्केट इज एंडेड एंड दिस एंड दैट एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. ड्यूड, 2 weeks पहले मैंने एग्जैक्टली बताया था कि दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. लास्ट 3 days से द मार्केट डिक्लाइन और उससे पहले 1 week का मार्केट पंप. आई एग्जैक्टली टोल्ड इन बिटवीन एवरी सिंगल डे कि दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. सो बी कॉशियस, बी अवेयर. क्रिप्टो में सक्सेस हासिल करना, टू मेक मनी एंड देन कीप योर मनी इज नॉट इजी. आपको डेली बेसिस पे फॉलो करना पड़ता है हर चीज को. दिस इज वाई वी वर्क एवरी सिंगल डे. हम डेली बेसिस पे सब कुछ देखते हैं टू नो बिफोर कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन और उसके मुताबिक हम खुद को पोजीशन करते हैं. सो वी गेट टू मेक मनी एंड देन ऑल्सो कीप इट. क्योंकि मैंने इस रियलिटी को बहुत जल्दी अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया था कि 99% ऑफ द पीपल, स्टेटिस्टिकली प्रूवन ये बात है, दे लूज देयर मनी whoever touches the financial market. So do you think कि तुम 1% में आते हो? No. So if you want to become 1%, मैंने एक complete path lay down किया है with recorded lectures and everything, every sort of guidance about every single topic, and I'm there to guide you every step of the way. I'm talking about my masterclass. So here, this is my masterclass Discord server. You can see on the left, I have here a lot of channels. So this is my Discord server. There are recorded lectures, as you can see. Here are beginners lectures, here are advanced lectures, there are masterclass lectures, statistics, analysis, then a lot of other things. Then then there is मैं ये वीडियो बनाकर तो मैं पोस्ट कर देता हूँ. उसके अलावा लाइक एवरी सिंगल डे जो भी अपडेट हो रही है अबाउट एवरी सिंगल थिंग, आई पोस्ट इन माय डेली एनालिसिस चैनल. And you can ask me questions. You can get the market signals. Here, look at it. Signals. My portfolio. मैं क्या होल्ड करूं, कौन से टोकन्स में बाय करूं, every single thing. It is completely transparent. You can get the signals and not a signal. यहाँ पे मैं शेयर करता हूँ all the meme coins, all the alt coins and this and that. You know, some of the meme coins जो मैंने mention किए थे, they did like 10x, 15x. Last few days में, like 2-3 days के अंदर. So again, join my masterclass if you want to actually achieve success in crypto. I will transform you from a gambler to an independent expert. आपको खुद पता होगा कि आपको क्या करना है, आपको क्या डिसीजंस लेने हैं डेली बेसिस पे. आप खुद के सिस्टम्स डेवलप करोगे जिसके बाद you are going to just sit back, follow your systems, and they are going to make the best possible choices for you. So before moving into my analysis, this is going to be a rough structure of my analysis. सबसे पहले I'm going to cover market overview, that what has happened. Then I'm going to do market analysis, जहाँ पे मैं global macroeconomical information को देखूंगा. And then उसके बाद I'm going to look into some medium to short term information to figure out what is going to happen next. Then I'm going to look into alts and meme market. And finally, I'm going to give you my outlook. So without any further wait, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, last 3 days में we had massive selling on Bitcoin, and the whole market basically de-risk हो रही है पूरी market. If we look at S&P 500, it is also chopping around, not going to new lows as of yet. Then, and yeah, so I'm gonna talk about के crypto Twitter आपका क्या कह रहा है about the dollar, about the bond rates. Stick around. I'm gonna provide you so much information. आज आप लोगों का मैं दिमाग खोलूंगा कि like कैसे आपको brain wash किया जाता है. उससे पहले overview के okay last 3 days we are in a decline, and as you can see here, if I pull up 50. Okay. Whoa. Nope. This was not it. Where is my here we go. EMA. Yesterday Bitcoin held 50 EMA and still above its volume profile जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे draw किया है. As you can see, there are so many things I have drawn. I'm gonna get rid of a few of them. Here we go. Okay, so volume profile is consolidation की यहाँ पे मैंने draw की है. It went down to this lower end of the range and bounced back, and also aligned with holding the 50 EMA. And उसके बाद I told you yesterday, if it is not able to hold that 50 EMA, it is probably gonna go to the 100 EMA. Then Osby, there is massive selling. By the way, today is no New York session, so it will be interesting to see कि market कैसे perceive करी है, because if we go to far side uh, ETF inflows, ETF flows, sorry, you can see yesterday we had like half a billion, $568 million of outflows from ETFs, and Ethereum maybe there are, if it loads up, 159 million of outflows, which around makes equal to BTC, क्योंकि इथेरियम अपने मार्केट कैप में 4 times स्मॉलर है बिटकॉइन से. तो देयर वर heavy selling from the ETF side, and today is no New York session, so there is not going to be any liquidity from the ETFs, no inflows, no outflows. So market volume is going to be low, and it is just going to be some player versus player environment for today. And it will be interesting to see how the market is going to hold up. But right now it is holding in its this range, the volume profile range. और अगर मैं इसकी range draw करूँ from the top to the bottom, you can see the next, of course, it can head towards the range, not area, zero area of the range, which is sitting around 91,336. And मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कहां तक प्राइस जा सकती है. उसके लिए stay around, because एग्रीगेट करके सब कुछ हम अपने एक्सपेक्टेशन फॉर्म करते हैं. सो एक दो तीन पीसेस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन से कुछ भी आप डिटेक्ट नहीं करते. यू लुक एट ऑल द थिंग्स, क्योंकि हर इंफॉर्मेशन अलग चीज आपको बता रही होती है. एंड देन यू एग्रीगेट ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर टू फॉर्म योर बेस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन, एंड दिस इज हाउ आई वाज एबल टू नेविगेट थ्रू होल मार्केट एवरी सिंगल डे वेरी 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 एक्यूरेटली. Okay, so now I'm gonna move into the data. Kyunke, okay, I've told you that this has happened. I'm gonna look into the memes and the altcoin market and other things later on. सबसे पहले I'm gonna get into the data. So if, by the way, today is your first ever investing analysis, it is highly unlikely कि आप मेरी बातों को अंडरस्टैंड करो, क्योंकि मैं जो भी बात करूं इट इज गोइंग टू बी इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाट आई टीच इन माय मास्टर क्लास. सो अगेन, ज्वाइन माय मास्टर क्लास ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि मैं जो कवर कर रहा हूं, जो डिस्कस कर रहा हूं, वो क्यों कर रहा हूं एंड व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लिक्विडिटी, no major update on the TGA rundown and the Fed net liquidity injections. RRP is continuing to fall down, and the liquidity has slightly increased, but not major, because it is still in its range. We have 42 macro lead of morning note. इसको मैं cover करना चाहूँगा. Today, will Doge save the bond market and by extension the bull market in risk assets? So it is interesting. I'm gonna do my analysis here to show you something जो कि आप expect भी नहीं कर सकते. It is absolutely crazy कि these few days of decline and consolidation, and people are saying कि, oh, because dollar is so high. Dollar is so high, and it is gonna continue to rise, and bond market is very high, and this and that and blah blah blah. This is why Bitcoin is falling. Dude, dollar is in the uptrend from like since 2011. डॉलर 2011 से अप ट्रेंड में है, एंड बिटकॉइन भी 2011 से अप ट्रेंड में है. सो वेयर इज द कोरिलेशन? एंड ओके, एक ग्लोबल स्केल पे छोड़ो, हम थोड़ा क्लोजली उसको देखते हैं. टू दिस फेज थ्रू हियर यू कैन सी माय पॉइंटर on both screens, on left and right side. So it is going to be on the same place जहां पे भी मैं मूव करूंगा. It is going to be on the same date. So यहां से डॉलर ऊपर जा रहा था, and Bitcoin was going up as well, and people, उनको तब नहीं याद आया कि okay, डॉलर is rising. तब भी तो बिटकॉइन की प्राइस ऊपर जा रही थी. Why? Like crazy कि अब लोगों को ये नजर आ रहा है कि okay, because dollar is too high, so it is a problem. So what about when dollar was going up and Bitcoin was also going up? तब नहीं आपको याद आया. Then उससे पहले dollar was going down and Bitcoin was chopping sideways. उससे पहले here you can see dollar was going up and Bitcoin was going up as well. I'm talking about this area. And then through this phase, dollar was going up and Bitcoin was going up here. And then dollar was going sideways, Bitcoin was going sideways, dollar was going down, Bitcoin was going where is it? Let me confirm it. Okay, yeah, dollar was going down, so Bitcoin को ऊपर जाना चाहिए था, but it was chopping sideways. Okay, then उससे पहले dollar was going up, and yeah, then the prices were going down. अगर हम past में चले जाए to check even more, again macro scale पे dollar was going up through this phase and Bitcoin was going up, and here dollar was going up and Bitcoin went down, and then dollar chopped sideways and Bitcoin went up. So where is the fucking correlation? I don't understand कि लोग ये आपको और खुद को सायोप करते हैं, आपको भी पागल बनाते हैं, खुद को भी पागल बनाते हैं. द थिंग इज कि दिस इज अ रियलिटी, और इसके ऊपर मेरा मास्टर क्लास में एक लेक्चर है कि लोग किसी भी मार्केट मूव के साथ कोई भी न्यूज एसोसिएट करना चाहते हैं. एवरी सिंगल टाइम इट हैपन्स, एवरी सिंगल टाइम. I have been around every single day. मैं डेली बेसिस पे देखता हूँ कि what is happening, and people they just want to associate something, क्योंकि अब लोगों को ये समझ में नहीं आ रही कि why Bitcoin is going down. Dude, it is doing what the market does. This is what happens. These are fundamentals. These are the technical things which are happening right now. It is just in the fucking consolidation. Why do you have to make things complicated? Like people engagement farmers, जो YouTube पे engagement farmers होते हैं, जो Twitter पे या Instagram पे wherever engagement farmers, वो किसी भी मार्केट मूव के साथ कोई भी न्यूज एसोसिएट करेंगे बिकॉज पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग, और वो रीजन कभी भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती होगी. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट बॉन्ड मार्केट हियर. So here we go. Bond market was going up, Bitcoin was going up through this phase. Here bond market went down and Bitcoin went up a little, और उसके बाद here look at the pointers. Here bond market was going up and Bitcoin went up. Then bond market went down and Bitcoin went down. Then bond market went up, Bitcoin went up. Up. Bond market ऊपर जा रही है, then Bitcoin भी उसी पेस में like ऊपर जा रहा है. There is, and yes, there are some instances, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो, even यहाँ पे bond market is going up and Bitcoin is going up. Here bond market is going down and Bitcoin is going down. Here bond market is going up, 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 and then Bitcoin is going down. So where is the fucking correlation? I don't understand कि लोग कैसे इतने डंप हो सकते हैं. People are crazy. Again, reality ये है कि they are just engagement farmers जो कि किसी भी मार्केट मूव के साथ कोई न्यूज एसोसिएट करके उसको रिलेटिव बनाना चाहते हैं. सो डोंट पे अटेंशन टू दैट. आपके सामने मैं प्रूफ के साथ ये सब बातें कर रहा हूं. अगर आप में अकल है तो उसको थोड़ा सा यूज करो एंड just figure out yourself okay, what is the actual reality. This is the actual, and this is why I am the best. This is why me and my team, we are the best. We are the best researchers on the planet. एक रीजन है उसकी. वो रीजन यही है कि हम फिजूल की चीजों में फोकस नहीं करते. वी नो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड व्हाट इज नॉट, और किस टाइम पे क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है और किस टाइम पे क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं. सो मैं अगर यहाँ पे रेंजेस आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखाता हूँ एंड स्टफ समटाइम्स, या फिर वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल ओपन करके दिखाता हूँ, या फिर आई लुक एट अ फ्यू थिंग्स एट अ सर्टेन टाइम, वो हर जगह पे वैलिड नहीं होती. यू विल लुक मी ड्रॉइंग सम वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल या फिर सम रेंजेस एंड यू आर गोना थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क ऑलवेज, या फिर इट इज गोइंग टू बिहेव ऑलवेज इन योर एक्सपेक्टेड वे. नो, इट इज नॉट. आपको एक हाई अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करनी पड़ती है. अगेन, जॉइन द फकिंग मास्टर क्लास सो आप उस चीज को अंडरस्टैंड कर सको. देयर आर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स ऑन एवरीथिंग, वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, वेरी इजी वे. You will become an independent expert for the rest of your life. लेकिन no, you are a tourist और आप लोग ये चाहते हो कि मैं तुम लोगों को झूठ बोलूं, क्योंकि झूठ fascinate करता है, right? You want me to tell you some random meme coin and alt coin या फिर charts के ऊपर lines draw करके like resistance support areas and all of that bullshit जो तुम लोगों के ब्रेन में स्कैमर्स ने इंजेक्ट कर दिया हुआ कि मे बी दिस इज द राइट वे टू डू इट. नो, इट इज नॉट. If you use your brain a little bit, you will see the reality. So we have lead of morning note from 42 macro. Yesterday saw a steep sell-off in the risk asset and bonds alike. Again, talking about the bonds and the statement President Trump gave, the bond, the interest rates are too high. So talking about that again, Trump is probably going to go for the weak dollar policy, as उसने previous term में भी उसकी जो थी, we are on the celebrating Doge's attempt to shrink the federal government, but we continue to express already on okay. So they are going to, yes, there is liquidity contraction, और उसको हम यहाँ पे भी कवर करेंगे. ग्लोबल लिक्विडिटी वीकली अपडेट फ्रॉम माइकल हॉवल. सो यस, देयर इज ग्लोबल लिक्विडिटी कंट्रैक्शन और उसकी वजह से ये इफेक्ट आ रही है. एंड ट्रम्प प्रोबेबली इज गोइंग टू बी अडॉप्टिंग द वीक डॉलर पॉलिसी. लेकिन अगेन, डॉलर का कोरिलेशन मैटर नहीं करता. मेन थिंग क्या मैटर करती है कि दे आर गोइंग टू प्रिंट मनी. द लिक्विडिटी, दे आर गोइंग टू इंजेक्ट लिक्विडिटी इनटू द इकोनॉमी टू मेक इट स्टेबल, and this is automatically going to drive the dollar further down. So it is not about dollar, it is about liquidity matter karti hai. They are going to stimulate the economy, or if we see, let me open up the empty money supply. There is a lot of contraction in the liquidity, और अगर हम देखें तो it is likely, it is going to the place where it should probably be taken any action to move further up. And अगर हम चाइना लिक्विडिटी, which is the second greatest economy, largest economy, sorry, in the world right now, you can see there is a cyclicality pattern in the Chinese liquidity. So this is the area. Oops, this is the area Fucking, I can't draw a straight line. Here we go. This is the area where you would expect. Uh, by the way, China is waiting. China is waiting for America to start to stimulate the economy so they can continue to print money as well, because China is at verge. They are at verge of financial collapse and they want to print money, but again वो अपनी economy को destroy नहीं करना चाहते. They are just waiting for the print to Trump to take the office and stimulate the economy, जिसके बाद of course we are gonna see the cyclicality pattern for the Chinese liquidity. Or if we see the worst, we can of course see some spike further down like this before moving up. But I'm not sure. I think it is a matter जो कि urgently solve किया जाएगा rather than waiting for the economy to collapse. And moreover, this was COVID. This was the COVID thing. So if we see anything like that, unless there is a black swan event, it doesn't matter. So now anything else I want to look at? Yep, Ethereum is currently oversold उनकी probability range models के हिसाब से, which I'm gonna look at here. The VAMS ranges, here we go. Bitcoin, VAM's range on the Bitcoin oversold because VAM's range is the lower boundary of the range is 94, 930, almost 95k, and Ethereum it is 3400, and as you can see the prices are very below those ranges. So again they are oversold, and probably this tells me that downside is limited and it is not gonna go down any further, although we are in a ranging market environment जहाँ पे मैं कब से कह रहा हूँ कि like anything can happen. We can nuke down and we can move up and we can just play around with people. So right now the oversold area is telling me that the downside is limited. Michael Howell say, yeah, there is just this thing to cover the weekly global liquidity, जो कि मैंने already आपको interpret करके बता दिया, like about the US liquidity and the China liquidity. They need to stimulate the economy, and as you can see, there is a huge divergence of the global M2 money supply here and Bitcoin price. So global liquidity is falling down and Bitcoin has went up. लेकिन अगर आप उससे पीछे का correlation देख लो तो it has played out very nicely. So there is a huge divergence. So either global liquidity has to rise or Bitcoin is going to fall into that area. Something along those things. So very highly unlikely. The best guess would be that global liquidity needs to rise. Now we're gonna get into some data to see what is happening in the medium to short term. I'm gonna get rid of this and CryptoQuant dashboard, but there is nothing interesting there. I went through the whole dashboard. Glitch in the matrix dashboard. यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत से indicators add किए हैं. So if you are interested, आपको description में इसका link मिल जाएगा. Then I'm gonna look into some short term sentiment indexes. So Capitol heater is very low, which is good to see, amazing to see. There is no heat in the market. Even the quadrant model spot rally said deleveraging sell off में आ गया. So this is telling me people are in fear. Percent supply in profit. Again, people bought the top here and I sold the top here. I bought the bottom here, I sold the top here. So again मैं एक long term investor हूँ. And these areas, these moves, yeah, I know, okay, like short term moves hai. Yeah, I take the opportunity. मैंने अपनी master class में भी बताया था. I gave everyone signal exactly here, and I told everyone that this is going to crash now. So be aware and convert all your risk to the conservative. I play the whole market. I play the whole bull market, and bull market is nowhere near the peak. 2025 is going to be the best and the biggest year. Stablecoin retro channel, again divergence. It is going to take a few more days to go back into the bullish state. उसके बाद bicycle top indicator also. इसका relation, it is showing that we are nowhere near the top again. शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर एमबीआरवी, as you know कि मैं इसको कवर कर रहा हूँ फ्रॉम आई कवर इट बेसिकली एवरी सिंगल डे. और मैंने बताया था कि व्हेन इट गोज डाउन इट हैज द टेंडेंसी टू रीसेट फ्रॉम इनटू इट्स मीन एरिया, like here, and I tell you every single day. So it was concerning to me कि हमने शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर एमबीआरवी को रीसेट नहीं किया. अगेन स्टे अराउंड, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन एंड कहां तक हम जा सकते हैं. एंड शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर एमबीआरवी probably sits around 88 के एरिया, 88 और 87 के एरिया. I haven't confirmed it yet. So उसके अलावा शॉर्ट टर्म होल्डर सोपर also resetting below its mean. Then long and short term holder supply breakdown. This is, if you squint very closely, it is starting to go sideways, which is indicating that we are currently in the mean reverting market state. And of course we are in the, लेकिन ये बताने का मकसद कि yes, this is also like going sideways, not going down. So it has slowed down a lot, which is well good to see, because अगर हम देखें तो previous uh, it is in this kind of area, which is also indicative of the very overbought area. So the consolidation was always needed for this metric. And then the favorite thing, liquidation heat maps. Bitcoin पे 2 weeks liquidation heat maps, 90k show करिए on coin Ank, and coin glass पे it is showing around 88, 588 or 87k. So as we are down and we are going to take these liquidations off, ये मैं बहुत देर से कवर कर रहा हूँ. जब यहाँ पे थी प्राइस, यहाँ पे मैं तब से कह रहा हूँ कि देयर वर bunch of liquidations building up below the current price, and we are going to take those liquidations out before we go back up. इसीलिए I knew कि we are not gonna move into the next leg. I knew कि we have to, market free gift किसी को भी नहीं देती, and I knew we are going to take these liquidations out, and it is probably now heading towards that. अगर हम Bitcoin को देखें एक lower time frame पे, you can see it is probably gonna go to that area. If you look at 4 hours, where is it? Whoops, sorry. And 88 here, yeah, not too much to be concerned about. Again, मैं बहुत देर से expect करोगे, it is going to go down there and it is going to take those liquidations out. So somewhere around this area. Oh, nice straight line. So yeah, higher time frame पे of course मैं यही बहुत देर से expect कर रहा हूँ. Probably it is going to continue to like maybe take a wick and then move back up, or maybe continue to stay choppy and move back down and then move back up. My best guess would be, because Trump's inauguration, and I'm expecting कि हम Trump's inauguration, going into Trump's inauguration, we're gonna move back up. So we might probably like wick down sharp and then move back up, because there are absolutely no metric जो कि मुझे ये शो करे कि we are in an overbought state, या फिर we have to continue this sideways move a lot. It is just the matter of de-risking, and all the liquidations that have built up below the current price, we have to take them out. उसके अलावा like there is not a lot which is showing that we should stay in the downtrend. So but again we can probably stay choppy, we can stay in the mean reverting market state. So anything can happen. Even going into Trump's inauguration, we can move back up and then move back down and continue to chop unless we see any further liquidity updates. We see the certainty, market hates uncertainty, or इसलिए market is moving down, because market is not sure what is going to happen, क्या policies होंगी Trump की and everything and this and that and blah blah blah. Again, they are just associating all of the different things, क्योंकि market is just doing what it is doing and what it does. We moved up so fast. 57K पे I got entered. My मेरे systems ने मुझे signal दिया था, and then we moved back up so fast, so soon, and probably, of course, market को उसके बाद consolidate करने की जरूरत है. Or every single time we moved back up, we consolidated, we moved fast, trending, we went sideways, we went up, we went sideways, we went up, we went sideways, we went up, sideways. Every single time you move up fast, you go sideways for a long time before moving back up. So, people, here we go. Bull market is over. I disagree. Bull market is on pause and will explode back into life when people least expect. Yes, this is me. It happens every single time. It happened here. यहाँ पे सब लोग least expect कर रहे थे and it exploded. So again, just stay patient. This is all about survival. मैं एक महीने से कह रहा हूँ कि we are not gonna go back up into a trending state unless there is a certainty in the market, and probably going to continue to chop sideways for a couple of months. चॉपिनेस इंडेक्स भी यही चीज शो कर रहा है. अगेन द मीन रिवर्टिंग मार्केट स्टेट. उसके अलावा ओपन इंटरेस्ट इज लो, फंडिंग इज लो एज वेल. नथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग टू लुक देयर. आई एम गोना नाउ गो इनटू the market, the total 2 and 3 stuff. उससे पहले remember where we are in the cycle. We have long way to go, long way to go. If we continue to chop around for a few weeks or maybe months, then move back up and then move sideways, then move back up. Probably something like this is going to happen if I draw it correctly. लोग आदत है every single fucking time आपके यूट्यूबर्स जाहिल यूट्यूबर्स दे आर लाइक के प्रीवियस साइकिल के फ्रैक्टल्स लेकर आगे वाली साइकिल पे पोस्ट करते हैं every single fucking time. Dumb. So it is probably going to show something which we have never seen. Something like this. Here we go. Take the fucking screenshot. Clip this and then show me in 2027 or 2026. Sorry. Probably this is going to happen. Probably. Okay. So alts alts are taking a bad beat. As you can see, the whole market is taking a bad beat and everything is moving down. Probably, if we see some sort of holding up here and a little reversion, alts are going to outperform because they have underperformed. अगर हम Bitcoin dominance की बात करें, तो it has because today is a no New York session and there is are no not going to be any major market moves. Expect BTC dominance to stay choppy around this area and maybe further move down going into the weekend. And probably this is gonna go down if we see a green day in next couple of days like today and tomorrow. अगर हम आज या फिर कल green day देखते हैं तो probably weekend पे alts are gonna run, and the strongest performer is the absolute monster of a token, fucking Sui. Sui has held up. कल पूरी market was red and Sui was green, closed green. Sui is absolute monster when it comes to relative strength, and Doge is holding up pretty nicely as well. उसके अलावा Grass is one I have been keeping my eye on, और यहाँ पे मैंने buy area दिया था. Again, it is going down and probably gonna make some sort of a higher low, or maybe even like move back into its this sort of area. Even if it goes there, Grass in the relative strength is very strong token. मेरी master class में मैंने signal provide किया था like here to buy Grass, and or here maybe it was made profits, and जब sell करने का time था तभी मैंने बता दिया था. उसके अलावा is there anything else of my interest? No, everything else is trash. Why would I want to hold anything else like Render or Super or Celestia or Ton or Matic? क्यों क्यों मेरा इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है उसमें, जब मेरे पास उससे अच्छे ऑल्ट कॉइन्स है। जब मेरे सिस्टम्स मुझे ये बताते हैं, मेरे सिस्टम्स ने मुझे सुई प्रोवाइड किया था। आई डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट सुई। आई स्टिल आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी में या फिर इन एनीथिंग। मेरे सिस्टम्स ने मुझे यहां पे बताया था कि ओके, सुई इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टोकन इन द मार्केट। मेरे सिस्टम्स ने मुझे बताया था कि सुई हैज द हाईएस्ट अपगोइंग पोटेंशियल एंड द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्राइस बिहेवियर इनटू द फ्यूचर। अगेन सिस्टम्स, यस दे आर मैजिक क्रिस्टल बॉल्स, वो आपको ये बता देते हैं कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन। सरप्राइज्ड? वेल, आप मेरी मास्टर क्लास ज्वाइन करो, डू ऑल द लेसन्स एंड डेवलप योर ऑन सिस्टम्स, और आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा। ओके, सो सॉरी, टू ज्वाइन द मास्टर क्लास डीएम मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा, and you can DM me on the Instagram to join the masterclass. Anyways, now moving up further, yeah, Botsui more here, strongest absolute monster performing token. So uske ilawa, come on. Okay. Uske alawa, yeah, I don't care about anything else because I know the strongest performing are this. And then there is one Caspa. Caspa also got attention from my systems because it also closed green yesterday, but not sure in like I don't know any further research about this, so not sure. Gonna look into the meme market. Memes are taking a bad beat, and आप देख सकते हो कि after taking such a bad beat, they are just bouncing up 4, 5, 6%. My interested memes are Opus, Chill Guy. Chill Guy also not looking good, absolutely not looking good, which is yeah, you see it has broken the daily structure and probably gonna move down now. Then Paradox, yeah, okay. Wolf is the one I'm interested in, and Wolf is also not looking good. I was expecting this to hold somewhere around this area, but now it has moved down a lot, and now probably going to chop around this area, build its base. Gonna continue to build its base before it explodes up. So long way away for that, and then Apu is also the one I'm interested in, which is also taking not taking the downside very nicely. Probably gonna hold this area, but if it moves down, expect this to move down further and then build its way back up and then move up like we have seen somewhere around this area. So yeah, uske alawa, keep an eye on the AI agents, and because they moved up pretty nicely and they are having some nice pullbacks. So yeah, so guys, that's it. You know what you need to do. You need to join my masterclass because this is the best possible approach and this is the only way you can make and keep money in the crypto. I'm there to guide you every step of the way. I'm there to answer all of your questions. आपको daily basis पे सभी signals provide करता हूँ so you can earn while you are learning. Crypto में it is not easy. Don't expect it to be easy. Don't expect कि some magical coin या फिर कोई magical influencer आपको कोई ऐसा magical fucking token बता देगा कि you are going to become multi-millionaire overnight. It does not happen. It is not the reality. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.